sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. This is for all of my friends with nut allergies. I've been asked numerous times what we can use instead of almond flour, and your answer is sunflower flour. We will not be using baking soda. Stick around to the end to find out why. We're going to start out by mixing our dry ingredients. I'm going to put them right here on the screen for you to screenshot. For our wet ingredients, we are melting 1/3 cup of butter, 1 egg, whisk that together, and then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and move that to the side. Now we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of our sugar-free chocolate chips. We're going to mix that in as we're pouring the butter and the egg. It just helps it mix in a little bit better. Your consistency should look just like this. Now we're going to begin to spoon them onto our parchment paper, and we're going to set our oven to 375, and we're cooking this for 15 minutes. These cookies came out absolutely amazing. You were going to love them. Please go make them now. If you made it this far, you need to hear this. So I learned that the chlorophyll in sunflower seeds reacts with baking soda, making your product turn green. I made these for the very first time yesterday, and I turned them green. I should have read the bag because it told me.